Hi, today our topic is aromaticity and 5-membered heterocyclic compounds aromaticity order. Before going to learn this, first we know what is aromaticity. Okay, that molecules must show cyclic structure. Okay, next planar structure. Okay, planar structure nothing but that molecule containing skeletal atoms. For example, if you take benzene, in that benzene all carbons have sp2 hybridization. Okay, like the term sp2 hybridization showing molecule nothing but planar structure showing molecule. Next term, conjugated pi bonds are present. Conjugated pi bonds nothing but alternate pi bonds, one pi bond, another one sigma bond, after that pi bond, like that alternate pi bonds nothing but conjugate pi bonds, otherwise delocalized lone pair electrons, delocalized electrons. Here pi bond nothing but it is two electrons combination, right? 1 and 2. Here lone pair purpose also, how many electrons are there? 1 and 2. Okay, so this is about delocalization electrons. Okay, next Huckel rule, that molecule must show Huckel rule, or that molecule must follow 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Okay, so here if you take benzene purpose, okay, 1 2 3 pi bonds are present. 3 pi bonds nothing but total how many electrons? 6 electrons. Okay, here 4n plus 2 pi electrons nothing but either it may be 2 electrons or 6 electrons or 10, so on. Nothing but here n equals to 0 1 2 3, nothing but here benzene purpose n equals to 1. Due to that reason here 6 pi electrons are present. Nothing but benzene is showing aromaticity. Okay, so based on these four properties or these four characteristics, we may decide that molecule showing aromaticity. What is that? That molecule must be in cyclic, వలయ నిర్మాణంలో ఉండాలి, ప్లేనార్ స్ట్రక్చర్, skeletal atoms sp2 hybridization ఫాలో కావాలి, కాంజుగేటెడ్ పై బాండ్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ పై బాండ్స్లో ఉండాలి, నెక్స్ట్ హుకెల్ రూల్ ఫాలో కావాలి. అలాంటి మాలిక్యూల్స్ని అరోమాటిక్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ అంటారు. ఓకేనా, సో దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ అరోమాటిసిటీ. నెక్స్ట్ what we have to learn here, aromaticity order of 5-membered heterocyclic compounds. Especially it is very important for degree third year students. Okay, furan, ferrol, thiophene. Okay, so here furan purpose heteroatom is oxygen, ferrol purpose heteroatom is nitrogen, thiophene purpose heteroatom is sulfur. Okay, so here aromaticity or stability order, what is that? Thiophene stability is more than the ferrol. Okay, so ferrol stability is more than the furan. Okay, so thiophene is greater than ferrol, ferrol is greater than the furan. Okay, so these are the structures. How can we say? So what are the reasons means? These are the reasons. First we have to consider especially heteroatoms electronegativity. Okay, so what are the heteroatoms in that? Okay, sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen. Here if you take electronegativity order, oxygen electronegativity is more than the nitrogen, nitrogen electronegativity is more than the sulfur. Okay, so where the reactivity or where the electronegativity is more, there reactivity is more. Reactivity is more nothing but less stability. ఓకే, సో ఎక్కడ రియాక్టివిటీ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందో అక్కడ స్టెబిలిటీ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, అది చర్యలో పాల్గొనడానికి ఎక్కువ అవకాశం ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి దానికి స్టెబుల్గా ఉండే అవకాశం తక్కువ. సో రియాక్టివిటీ ఈజ్ ఇన్వర్స్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు ది స్టెబిలిటీ. ఓకే, సో హియర్ ఆక్సిజన్ మోర్ రియాక్టివ్ నథింగ్ బట్ లెస్ స్టేబుల్. ఓకే, ఆక్సిజన్ కంటైనింగ్ heteroatom is less stable, more reactive. What is that? Furan. Furan is, what is that? More reactive, less stability. Okay, sulfur is high stable, less reactive. Due to that reason here thiophene is greater than the ferrol, ferrol is greater than the furan. Okay, next another reason, delocalized pi electrons. Okay, so this sulfur is easily gives the electron towards cyclic. Okay, so these pi electron side is, so pi, what is that? Pi electrons delocalization is more. okay, in sulfur compared to the ferrol. Okay, so here ferrol pi electrons delocalization power is more than the furan. Okay, so here sulfur shows more resonance structures, okay, compared to the ferrol. Ferrol shows more resonance structures compared to the furan. Okay, nothing but thiophene shows more number of resonance structures. Okay, so ferrol shows moderate number of resonance structures, furan less number of resonance structures. Nothing but based on the resonance capacity. Okay, based on the resonance capacity we may decide the stability. Here the thiophene shows high stability, nothing but high resonance. Okay, ferrol moderate, furan less. Due to that reason thiophene is more stable. Okay, next ferrol, next furan. Okay, so thiophene is greater than ferrol, ferrol is greater than furan. Okay, so this aromaticity or stability order remembering purpose. Okay, so I want to give one trick for you, that is Snowgrade. It is a code word. Okay, Snowgrade nothing but here SNO, these are the heteroatoms for these aromatic compounds. Okay, thiophene containing S, ferrol containing N, okay, oxygen containing furan. Okay, so Snowgrade. Okay, so in between what is that? Greater than symbol, Snowgrade. Okay, if any problem in occur in our life, okay, elders may suggest don't worry, better be cool. Okay, be cool nothing but here cool nothing but ice. Okay, you may feel like ice, ice nothing but snow, ice nothing but snow. In that snow word, S letters, N letter, O letter. S for sulfur, N for ferrol, O for furan. Okay, snow. Be cool, right? Snow is great. Okay, snow great. Be cool, great. Okay, so here SNO, snow great. In between SNO containing what is this? Thiophene, ferrol, furan. In between which symbol we have to put a greater than symbol. That is why here I wrote great. Okay, so next one, be cool, be snow. Okay, so always we have to take first benzene. Compared to all these, benzene high stable, right? So benzene is greater than thiophene, thiophene is greater than ferrol, ferrol is greater than the furan. Okay, so you must remember this trick, Snowgrade, be cool. Okay, be snow. Okay, thank you.